The phone manufacturing business is one that is in serious need of a shakeup. For a long time, the big phone manufacturers have become comfortable, settling into selling similar-looking phones with little enhancements year after year. However, things have changed. Elon Musk, a household figure for his exploits in the electric car industry, is now concentrating on the phone manufacturing business. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Elon Musk finally announced sales of Tesla phone Model Pi on this date. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. As a result, when he revealed that he would be developing a phone, the phone industry took note. The Tesla phone is supposed to be extremely powerful, which has increased the concern of the big companies in the phone manufacturing sector. Many people are now wondering where and how this phone will be manufactured. To discover out, keep watching the video till the conclusion. Many people have lost the excitement that comes with getting a new phone. They already know everything there is to know about the phone's features by the time they open the package, and the variations from the previous model are minor. In essence, they're paying for the same phone they did last year. The only changes are an extra camera lens and lens repositioning. Manufacturers may add a few megabytes of RAM and expand the size by an inch, but the differences are negligible. Stagnation and a lack of originality hamper the smartphone sector. Tesla fans, on the other hand, should not be concerned about these difficulties. It's not surprising given that the phone will include advanced technology similar to Tesla's electric vehicles. The video depicts how and where Tesla will produce the phone. But first, let's speak about the Pi phone's appearance and what you can do with it. You can be confident that Tesla's commitment to precision and innovation can be found in every part of the Model Pi phone. Tesla is a firm that understands how to design goods that are both functional and visually appealing. Its automobiles, for example, are well known for their performance and design. They are regarded as among of the most attractive electric automobiles on the market. Tesla's vehicles are distinctively designed and come in appealing hues that appeal to purchasers. Tesla's Powerwall devices are designed to be unobtrusive and blend in with their environment using the same design concept. Tesla's design concept has been carried over to the new Model Pi phone. Although the phone does not need to look attractive in order to function well, you will appreciate its sleekness when holding or looking at it. The phone offers a few fascinating features, such as the color shifting feature when turned on in sunlight. Tesla has coated the phone's surface with a photochromic substance that reacts to light, producing a one-of-a-kind look that is sure to impress. The phone features a prominent Tesla logo on the back, similar to how Apple stamps its brand on the rear of every phone it produces. The Tesla logo, on the other hand, represents quality. You can rely on the phone to work admirably. The Model Pi phone includes 4 camera lenses, elevating photography to a new level. Simply point the phone at the sky on a starry night, and you will get a clear image that captures the nuances of the sky like no other phone can. Because the phone's camera does not require a long exposure period, you will not have to wait for great images. The 4 lenses work together to produce stunning shots, whether you're photographing landscapes, people, or anything else. It should be noted that Tesla also manufactures solar panels for energy harvesting. As a result, it should come as no surprise that Tesla's latest smartphone, the Pi phone, is outfitted with solar panels. This can be charged without the use of a power outlet. To charge your phone, simply position it where the solar panels can absorb sunlight. This will allow you to recharge the battery and ensure that your phone is always charged when needed. Tesla is recognized for their ability to effortlessly hide electronics, and the Pi phone is no exception. In fact, a fingerprint scanner hidden beneath the screen is visible to the human eye. You may unlock your phone using the fingerprint scanner included within the device. The Pi phone is powered by a best-in-class chip, which is required for all of the capabilities that Tesla has crammed into the phone. It's worth noting that Tesla now manufactures their own chips, implying that the Pi phone's semiconductors are far superior than Tesla's. Other phone manufacturers use. Tesla also used a new material that improves thermal efficiency, guaranteeing that the Pi phone functions smoothly and without glitches. With all of these features crammed onto a single phone, the Pi phone is a modern-day technological marvel. Have you ever considered all of the possibilities that the Pi phone model provides? It enables you to do all of the standard smartphone operations, such as making and receiving calls, sending SMS messages, reading and sending emails, taking photographs and recording videos, and accessing the internet. Its capabilities extend beyond that. With the Pi phone's strong CPU, you can now add cryptocurrency mining to your list of functions. This breakthrough technique allows you to earn Mars Coin, a currency that Elon Musk hopes to introduce for his smart settlers, and save it straight on your phone. This game-changing capability has the potential to change the way we think about commerce and interplanetary travel. After all, who would have guessed that a phone could be used to conduct interplanetary transactions? But hold on, there's more. The Pi phone, in classic Musk form, also supports SpaceX, Starlink, and Internet satellites. You can always stay connected, whether on Earth or Mars, by taking advantage of Starlink's rapid upload and download speeds. And, because you can send SMS messages even when there is no service, you can stay in touch with others no matter where you are. The Tesla Pi phone has a plethora of capabilities and applications that we must investigate before delving into the production process. The Pi phone includes Neuralink technology, which is one such feature. The Pi phone can accommodate this technology, which comes from another of Musk's firms, thanks to its powerful hardware. Neuralink technology is intended to read and interpret data directly from the brain, giving consumers unprecedented control over their devices. In addition, the Tesla Pi phone is deeply integrated with other goods in the Tesla ecosystem. Electric vehicles, household batteries, energy storage devices, and solar panels are examples of these. With such integration, the Pi phone may act as a central control center for a variety of intelligent devices, providing consumers with unprecedented convenience and efficiency. Let's move on to the Pi phone's manufacturing process. When it comes to manufacturing the device, Tesla has two alternatives. The first approach is to emulate the tech behemoth Apple. Apple, which is well known for making high-quality phones, does not manufacture its iPhones. Instead, it creates them and then outsources the individual components to suppliers all around the world. When the parts are finished, Apple sends them to two assembly companies, Foxconn and Pegatron, which build the iPhones in factories across the globe. Tesla might take a similar approach and outsource the Pi phone's production to manufacturing partners who would be hired to build the various components. However, manufacturing or making the phone in-house would be more in line with Tesla's inventive attitude. By doing so, Tesla may streamline the manufacturing process, reducing costs and time, which is something Musk is constantly looking for. If Tesla chooses in-house manufacture, it will most likely build its own plant to create the Pi phone. Tesla's strength, according to Musk, is its manufacturing capabilities, which allow it to vertically integrate its process and reap considerable time and cost savings. Tesla is largely viewed as being years ahead of its competitors in the fast-growing world of electric automobiles, a testament to its pioneering spirit and manufacturing expertise. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.